not to Mumbai. Hello people, welcome back to the channel. So we'll speak as we ride. The time is about 11 in the night and everyone's fast asleep. So we'll head down to the meeting point as fast as possible, meet Yatish and continue with the ride. Before everything, first stop, fuel. Let's do it. Full now. Oh. And here we go. It's been a really long time since we hit the highway now, you know. The last ride was in the end of Feb. And after the lockdown, it feels nice to get into the riding gear, you know, dusty and there was fungus forming because of the moisture, even after keeping it packed inside. Got everything cleaned, all set to go. So he's executed the route map and he's planned the route map and we're going to execute it. I know it's all dark now. Okay, we'll not skip the signal just because it's late. And there we go. We get the green there. And as I was saying, he was the one who planned this route map. And I think I'll tell you the destination in a bit. And for on-the-go updates, if you're following me on Instagram, yes, I will post stories as and when I can, when there is signal. You will find the ID in the description. It will come on the screen somewhere here. I don't know where. We'll sort that out. So that's for now. I'll meet you straight at the meeting point. Okay. Hey dude! Hey. I was expecting you early anyway. Hengu neen expect ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಫ್ಯೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾ? ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ದಾ? ಟೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ. ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಮಾಮ್ ಫ್ಯೂಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್? ಅಲ್ಲಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಶೇಕಾ. ಫುಲ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇದೆ. 5 ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದು? 5 ಹಿಡಿಯಲ್ವೋ 4 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನೋ ಹಿಡಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಾನು ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಲಿಡ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಮುಚ್ಚಬೇಕು, ಪೈಪ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಲೀಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು 4.5 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಡಿಸ್ಕವರಬಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಬ್ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ರೈಡ್ ಬಟನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ಕೈ ತೋರಿಸೋ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಟು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಡ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್. It was easy and as soon as we figured it out, but the thing is Yatish can't connect to me when he wants to. I can connect to him whenever I want to with the press of a button. So yeah, we'll be headed not to Mumbai. I guess we'll stop at Pune and the surrounding places. So there it is. That's going to be our major destination, and surrounding Pune, I think we'll be staying at Belgaum and Mahabaleshwar. Let's see, visit as many places as possible. I'm not sure how the audio is coming or how the video frame is. I have no clue unless I check this footage tomorrow and do whatever corrections I have to do, but let's go with the flow. let's keep it natural, let's go with the flow and not worry much about it. So our destination for today will be Belgaum. I think it's somewhere close to about 480 kilometers. We haven't made any reservations, just ride as far as we can and find a decent place to stay. How come this switch isn't working? There's some dust settled inside. COVID ka effects hai. Not use the bike very often, not use the features in the bike, so not aware what's working, what's not working. Since it's a basic bike with not much electronics, nothing much to worry about. I don't know how much you can see, but it's nice. It's different. And I thought the roads would be quite empty, but I was wrong. The amount of traffic on this stretch was unexpected actually. See, a lot of trucks, buses, cars as well. First pit stop at Hiriyur, Hiriyur. Yeah, at Hiriyur. So we stopped here, spent about 30 to 40 minutes, got into rain gear and slight drizzling going on now and then, monsoon weather expected. So just to be on the safer end on the first day of the ride, don't want to get the riding coat wet. So let's get back on the bike. I've packed up all the cameras. I'm just using the Sena as of now since it's not drizzling. In case the weather turns from bad to worse, all the electronics go packing in the bag. We reached Davangere is what I've been told. This is our second pit stop and basically this was our fuel stop. So I think it's about 280 kilometers or something we've completed as of now. It's been raining since our first stop, non-stop drizzle. It's not raining actually, but it's just it's drizzling. It just constantly keeps drizzling, so the visibility is very bad. The roads are in pathetic conditions because National Highway road widening work is in progress. So Yatish, what do you think about the ride until now?
Everything is going well apart from this rain.
Made it to the room here in Belgaum. We stopped last night for fuel at around 4 in the morning. I think that was last when we spoke to the camera. After that it was non-stop rain. We reached Belgaum by about 10:30. Checked in, freshened up, had some snack breakfast. What do you call it? Brunch. Breakfast brunch. Now we've planned to head out. So catch you there. So we have come to Gokak Falls. I couldn't vlog while riding all the way here. It was exactly how much? 72 kilometers. 72 kilometers from Belgaum city. We both came on one bike. We left the other one at the hotel itself and decided that we'll visit the falls today. And there's one more place. What is another place now?
Godachinmalki Falls.
No, not falls.
That is Swapnavale.
Swapnavale viewpoint is there. So that is close by to Belgaum. So we'll visit that tomorrow and we'll plan the rest tomorrow. For today, it's the falls that we go see. It looks awesome. Look at Yatish. Just look at Yatish from behind. That is all the...
It's called adventure, dude.
And there, it started raining again. I think you can see this drizzle keeps coming. It's been there like throughout the... Chhatri, Where is my umbrella? Very brilliant guys we are, you know. We bought the umbrella and left it in the room. It's okay. We're wearing our rain gear anyway. So, 1 second. I think now there is water on my screen. These rocks are all slippery rocks. I am wearing riding boots. Hope I don't fall. There he is. He is standing there and listening at people who are getting very close to the waterfall there. I can't vlog and walk through these rocks, so I'll reach there. And that's the temple there. This is a bridge to walk across and just look at the amount of water flowing. It's so silent there and it's so violent here. See a rainbow there? There. Just look at that drop from here. So good. And that should be an old, that one, an old power generating station. Here is a better view of the waterfall. We've been going to every other cliff here to get a different perspective of view. But you see how crowded the place is. Every cliff is occupied. It's not easy. You need to wait your turn every time. We started from there. We walked all the way there. Jumped cliff by cliff, I mean edge by edge or however you say it. And then we ended up here to get the entire gate. Time to head back. On the way back, there is another waterfall which is having a deviation of about 12 kilometers. So we'll try to cover that as well. All this that you see behind me is a textile factory. Gokak textile factory is behind me. This is the arch, the entrance, the temple, and then the waterfall. I'm tired, breathless. Look at the motorcycle there. Doesn't look black anymore. See this. So ready. We have come to one more falls with Yatish's reference. Nidanuko. ಫೋನ್ ಇಡಕ್ಕೆ
ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಆ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀನೇ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಂದೆ
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಬರೀ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು?
ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹಂಗೆ ರೂಟ್ ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ ಈಗ ಯಾವ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಅದ ಸರ್ ಅದು ನಡೆಯೋದು ಭಾಳ ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದು.
ಹಾಂ
ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯೋದು ಭಾಳ ಅದ ರೀ.
ಓ ತುಂಬ ನಡಿಬೇಕು.
10 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ನಡಿಬೇಕು.
ಅಬ್ಬಾ
ನಡೆಯೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ.
ಹಾಂ
ಕಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬರ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ.
ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ.
ನಾವು ಅದು ನವಿಲಾಗ್ತಾ
This is what I am walking through to view something spectacular. It will be revealed in a moment. But this is very, very slippery. If I go, then I will be revealed by someone else in the paper. Now it's time for the reveal. Here we go. And now, yay! This is what we came for. You see there are people on... Where's the camera? Okay. This side as well. I mean there as well. But I was told by the local here that if you want to go that side, you need to walk almost a kilometer. We happened to come this way, I don't know how, but we somehow came here. This is the max I can dare to go with the boots that I'm wearing right now. There is a path there, but it's rained a lot, it's very slippery, slushy, so I don't want to take any chances here. There it is. It's called Godachinmalki. Godachinmalki Falls. I think the boats are there. You come to Gokak Falls, you can come here. You don't have to miss this place. It's so noisy now. And I think there are people down there as well. I can listen to people screaming from the bottom. There is a pathway to go down, but we are not in the right attire to go play in water, and it's starting to drizzle again. So I think it's time we head back to Belgaum. Please expose a little more. This gimbal is very tricky to use. It's okay. I think we'll call it a day. Yeah, we're done with our list of places to visit for today, so I think we'll call it a day. See you in the next episode. Until then, bye. Mom, say bye.
See you in the next vlog.